Hi, I'm Colangelo from the Mitigation Banking Group, and I'm here today to share with you some frequently asked questions that I get either on email or phone from landowners who have land that they may think is suitable for mitigation. Mitigation banks are large tracts of land that provide mitigation for adverse wetland impacts within a drainage basin surrounding that land. The smallest mitigation bank in the state of Florida is 151 acres, which is very small. The largest is 25,000 acres. So they say a range is between 2,000 and 3,000 acres. However, I would say an optimal good size right now is around 600 to 1,000 acres to get a 10-year sellout. Mitigation credits are purchased by developers or by the DOT or whomever may be having an adverse wetland impact to their development project. And if the state and federal agencies approve their adverse impacts to the wetlands, they're able to mitigate within the same drainage basin as their project adverse impacts. No, you cannot impact in Miami and buy credits from Orlando, Florida. You have to purchase mitigation credits within the same geographic drainage basin as your project. Or if you're providing weather credits, you also have to provide it within the same HUC area. Some mitigation credits are valued on different assessments. Some are ratio, some are UMAM, some are MRAP. So with the new methodology of UMAM, a credit price range anywhere from $100,000 a UMAM all the way up to $300,000. So you should really check out the different mitigation banks that can provide credits for your project to find out an estimated price. A state credit is needed if you have an isolated wetland. If your wetland is jurisdictional to a navigable waterway, then you're probably going to need federal mitigation as well. Well, if you look at 100 sites, you'll probably find one suitable mitigation bank. It is not easy. You have to find the diamond in the rough. And so you need to be surrounded by other conservation easements. You need to be big enough, and it has to be land that has to be restored. So if you have pristine land, there is no suitable option as a mitigation bank. We are looking on fixing broken swamps. And so to provide that uplift, to provide that restoration value, if there is some kind of croplands, citrus, sod farms even, those can potentially be converted to a mitigation bank because we're bringing it back to the way God intended it to be.